gingerbread cookies.
Now, quick notice, we are now a part of the Amazon Affiliates program. So we are going to put the links of some of these products in the description below. And of course, if you buy through our links, we will get a small commission. So if you want to support our channel and help us grow, please do so. And remember, this will be at no extra charge to you.
Well, I can't wait to open this thing up and take everything out.
Dun, dun, dun. Ooh.
Gingerbread cookie overload.
Look.
Ooh,
Candy beads. So cool.
Those are delicious.
So many colors.
Ooh, a piping bag. These are like.
That's gonna be really helpful.
Yeah. Okay, let's
Oh, what's this?
Oh,
This is the icing. Now we have washed our hands, and Kelsey is drying the cookie cutters because we had to wash those. While she does that, I'll be reading the directions. Cookies. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Wash cutters with warm soapy water, which we have done, and she's drying them. Lightly grease a baking sheet. Combine cookie mix, room temperature butter, and we have left this butter at room temperature. Honey and water. Mix well until blended. 2 to 3 minutes. Dough takes some time to come together. Allow to rest in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Kelsey's going to get started reading the directions for the royal icing, and I am going to do the mix for the gingerbread cookies. Ninjabread cookies, really.
Royal icing instructions. 2.5 teaspoons of water, 1/2 a cup of powdered sugar, and royal icing mix. Alright. I'm gonna use words. Gotta be exact. 2 and 1/2. Okay. Mix it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna add in all the powdered sugar. It's gonna get bigger in the powdered sugar.
Alright, this is my honey.
Okay. 1/2 a cup of powdered sugar. There we go.
Alright, now I'm going to add my water. How much water do I have? 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. So this is 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of water. Let's just pour that in. And then I'm going to add less this time since it's a teaspoon.
So guys, I watch a lot of baking shows, and in the shows, I'm gonna have to base it off the shows. So I've never really made real icing before. And this does feel a little thick. It feels more like the dough than the icing. So based off the shows and just what I finished, right? I'm gonna add a little bit more water than the recipe says. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But remember, the recipe only calls for 2 teaspoons and a half. I added a little bit more water, and this looks more like the real icing that I know and I'm used to. So let's check out on the out and see what she's.
I added my honey, butter, and water, and now I'm about to mix. So I put this napkin or a paper towel you see here over my bowl just because I don't want it to be splattered everywhere. It said that it may take some time for the mixture to come together, so let's continue. The paper towel was a little bit difficult, but we've mixed it pretty well. Now our mom said that we can use our hands.
Ooh, let's get messy.
pretty good, so we are going to let it rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So let's put ours together.
Rest in the refrigerator.
Rest. Alright guys, so I set the timer for 30 minutes and now we are going to head over to the icing.
Well, this Oreo icing is nice, but it's not the same as cupcake icing if that's what you are expecting. Cupcake icing is smoother and softer. This is a little bit more tough, so that so it won't drip all over if you're going to decorate something like on the front cover. So I've done everything and now I'm on step 2. It says, spoon piping and silk piping bag. Hint, drape edges over a bag over a glass to make filling easier. I've seen that in all the cooking shows. They like that. So, I guess we are pretty good.
My turn. So I'm putting it in here like this. So we got most of it in here, but we're gonna put this over to the side and we're gonna wait about 15 more minutes because that's how much time we have left. So we're gonna talk a little bit about how we are going to decorate our gingerbread. I'm thinking of a really Christmassy decorating. So I think we're gonna do red and green and use only those colors of the candy beads.
Well, yeah, let's remember, we do only have gingerbread cookie cutters. I'm gonna make mine a girl.
Me too, yeah. I'm definitely gonna make it a girl. And I think that like I said, I'm gonna use the colors for the candy beads. I'm gonna use red and green colors. And I think I'm still gonna make her like a tough ninja girl. So she's probably going to have she's still going to look like she's fighting.
This one. I'm gonna draw her little hair. I'm gonna draw her a smile instead of all these mean faces. I'm gonna draw her petite eyes like little dots.
See you when you come back.
So, 30 minutes have passed, and we're gonna take it out and put it on a floured surface.
Here's the dough. We preheated the oven.
My turn. So we rolled it out to as thin as we wanted, and now we're gonna cut it out.
Okay, so the first batch is in the oven.
These are our last 2. I'm gonna do one, and Ya's gonna do one.
So our process is pretty simple. We just had to add a little bit more flour because it got sticky and it stuck to this rolling pin. Now these last 2 are going to make it about 10. So the box was right. You could make about 10 to 12, and these are pretty thin.
Well, I'm gonna go first.
So we have chosen which ones we're going to decorate, and now Kosi is going to open the candy beads.
We have different pieces to decorate, so I'm going to put these on our plate. Oh, they're really rolling around. Hey, they're like real balls. Bouncy.
We are doing the taste testing. This is our taste tester cookie, and we're also going to talk about the wax and the foil. So the difference between them is the wax doesn't really stick, it sticks more actually.
Yeah, you can't really get these off. These come off more easily. Well, anyways, let's get started. Here's a plate for everyone.
So this taste tester cookie, I'm gonna break and
This is delicious. It's skinny but soft.
it's really good. I'm going to break this one.
I'm gonna start with the royal icing. I made, by the way. So, what we have here is some leftovers from our cupcake decorating video. Remember, definitely do check that out. We have black, blue, and this sparkle gel blue that we will use, and the royal icing that I baked today. Then it like that. Well, let's start off. Mine is an all golden to mine. So golden center. So I'm all done. And we also have some extra ones that we're gonna eat without the icing. But these ones we use icing, and mine is supposed to be a girl who is a black belt. It says to let the icing harden and dry. So it says it'll dry in 30 minutes, but completely dry, be completely dried in 45 minutes. So time to eat.
Now my icing is already kind of dry, so I guess it just took shorter. It is a little bit wet at the top, but at the bottom it's more dry. I also used less icing. And mine is a girl with blue and a streak of white. She has this decoration for Christmas in her hair. She's not smiling because she is a serious ninja. And she has these
rainbow
Christmas beads.
Look at it. I'm already done. But mine is all that the ninjas make the tail.
All the ninjas mixed together.
Rainbow ninja.
Cool.
There's a genie from Aladdin.
Oh wow, that looks so cool. It really looks like the genie. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. We really enjoyed these gingerbread or ninjabread cookies. They were so good, and I think Kosi can agree. Our parents enjoyed it and our brothers enjoyed it, and we hope that you enjoy spending time with your family and enjoyed this video. Have happy holidays, and remember, in the description below, the link is there. And this was so good, so we highly suggest this product, and the link will be in the description. We get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for supporting us. Bye. Remember to like and subscribe.
Remember that you are a powerful leader with unlimited success.